Ready to use your home equity wisely? Here's how to get a HELOC loan. Step 1. Check your home equity. You usually need at least 15–20% equity. Step 2. Review your credit score. Higher scores mean better interest rates. Step 3. Calculate how much you really need. Don't borrow more than required. Step 4. Compare lenders. Rates and terms vary. Choose the best fit. Step 5. Apply online. It takes minutes on investmentpropertylending.com. Step 6. Get approved and access your credit line when you need it. A HELOC gives you flexibility and financial control. Use it wisely. Learn more or apply today at investmentpropertylending.com.